Is up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to set up a Zelle account. Alright, so we're going to get right straight into the video. The first thing to note is the eligibility requirements. So there are 4 requirements to opening a Zelle account. Now the first is you must be at least 18 years old. That's the first requirement. The second is you must have a US based account. The third, you must have a debit card associated with your bank account. And the last is you must have a mobile phone with a US phone number. So if you do not meet these requirements, you're not going to be able to open the account. So first meet them, and then let's go on to the next step. So setting up a Zelle account, the first method is through the Zelle mobile app. So what you want to do is download the Zelle mobile app from the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. And once you have that, just open the app and tap get started. Now what you want to do is to enter your mobile phone number and email address, and then of course you got to create a password and security questions, and then you got to link your debit card or bank accounts, and then you want to verify your account through a one-time password that's going to be sent to your mobile phone. Now the second method is to set up the account through your bank's mobile app. So what you want to do is to check if your bank offers Zelle service. Now if they do, you got to open your bank mobile app, look for Zelle option, and you got to tap on it. Then you just got to follow the prompts to enroll and link your debit card or your bank account. Now of course the third method is to set up a Zelle account through the Zelle website. Now you can just go to the Zelle website and click on get started. Then just enter your mobile phone number and email address. Then what you want to do is to create a password and security questions. Then you just got to link your debit card or bank account. Then you're going to verify your account through a one-time password that's going to be sent to your mobile phone. Now as for verifying your account, there are a couple of things to note. The first is on debit card verification. So you may be asked to verify your debit card by entering the expiration date and the security code. Now for the second is bank account verification. So you may be asked to verify your bank account by entering the account and routing numbers. Now for the mobile phone verification, you're going to receive a one-time password sent to your mobile phone to verify your account. So you're going to need to take note of these, and yeah, that's pretty much it for opening accounts on Zelle. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share your thoughts on the video, or share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because that helps us out a lot. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.